So this happened to me in the construction near Dunsmuir the other day, where the two lanes split. Either lane's fine for trucks, but for some reason this guy at the last second decided he needed to come over in my lane. Don't worry about me, buddy. Just go ahead and take my hood with you. Absolutely no reason for that. He could have stayed in the left lane. Plenty of signs leading up to there to letting you know that either lane is fine. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.